welcome to all. In this video, we discussed module number 5 and the topic is linear algebra. In this topic, we discuss the subtopic of eigenvalues and eigenvector by using the Rayleigh's power method. Okay, so the previous video, we discussed to solve the system of the equation by using the elimination method. Now going to learn how to find the largest eigenvalue and eigenvector. Okay, so before going to the problem, first we discussed what is meant by eigenvalue and what is the eigenvector. Okay, so the definition of eigenvalues given a square matrix A, if there exists a scalar lambda, the lambda is maybe it's a real or complex, and a non-zero column matrix X such that AX equal to lambda X. So that AX equal to lambda X is the definition where A is the given matrix and X is the non-zero column matrix. If you multiply this one, we get a lambda, it's a eigenvalue, and the x is a eigenvector. Okay. So the definition is ax equal to lambda x. The clearly here, then lambda is called eigenvalue of a, and x is eigenvector of a corresponding to an eigenvalue. So this is our definition of eigenvalues and eigenvector. So we have our aim is to find the eigenvalues and eigenvector by using Rayleigh's power method. Okay. What is a Rayleigh's power method? Is nothing. This is an iteration method to determine numerically largest eigenvalue of the given square matrix. So by using Rayleigh's power method, easily we find the largest eigenvalue of the given square matrix. So now we'll discuss the problem. Okay. So find the largest eigenvalue and the corresponding eigenvector of the matrix A by the power method, by using the power method. Okay. So given matrix, this is the question. Given matrix is A equal to 2 0 1 0 2 0 1 0 2. It's a 3 by 3 matrix. Solution. Let us take initial condition x of 0 equal to 1 0 0 is the initial eigenvector. It's not only one eigenvector. There are four initial eigenvectors there. So we have to choose any one. For example, 1 0 0. This is one eigenvector, and 0 1 0. This is also one initial eigenvector, and 0 0 1. This is also initial eigenvector, and 1 1 1. So there are four options. So choice is ours. You have to choose any one initial eigenvector, either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Okay. So here I take the initial eigenvector 1 0 0 transport. Okay. Be the initial eigenvector. So first, and I choose the first one. Okay. If you choose second one, third one, fourth one, there is no problem. The answer will get the same. Okay. So what is our definition? Ax equal to lambda x. It's correct. It's our definition. Ax equal to lambda x. A is the given matrix and x is the initial eigenvector. So x transport, that is 1 0 column matrix. Okay. 1 0 0. So that is equal. So the normal matrix multiplication, we get the first row into this column, we get 2. The second row into this column, we get 0. And third row into this column, we get 1. So by using manual, or if you using the calculator, you will get that A is a fixed and we have to change only the B vector. Okay. So if you're using calculator, this one process. Otherwise, you can do them manually. Okay. So if you do this one, you get 201. Okay, clear. Now that in this matrix, we have to choose the largest numerical value. 201. The largest numerical value is 2. So I'm taking 2 outside. Here we get 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Here we get 0 divided by 2, that is 0. Here we get 1 divided by 2, that is we get 0.5. So this is clear our definition lambda into x. So this is our lambda eigenvalue, and this is we get the new eigenvector. Okay. So already I choose this is x power 0 initial condition. So I get the new one. That's why I'm choosing this is 1 and the new eigenvector given the number 1. Okay. So this is called the first iteration. So next we have to find the second iteration. So the second iteration is A into x power 1. So what is this one? Given matrix, and this one is the new eigenvector. Okay, so this is the given matrix and this is the new eigenvector. The normal multiplication matrix multiplication, if you use the calculator, A is fixed, we have to change only B. Okay, otherwise we will do the manually. Okay, it is easy calculation only, nothing too difficult, and we get this one. Again, we have to choose the highest numerical value. Which is the highest numerical value? 2.5. So taking 2.5 outside, we get 2.5 into, this is 2.5 divided by 2.5, this is 0, and this is 2 divided by 2.5. Here, we will get this one. So this is lambda power 2 and x power 2. So this is lambda power 2 and this is x power 2. So when we stop this process, if the eigenvalues are equal, we can stop this process. The eigenvalues are equal, we have to stop the process until we can continue the same process. So next, the third iteration, second iteration, this is the given matrix and this is the new eigenvector, normal multiplication and taking the highest numerical value and divided by that value, we get 2.8 and 1 0 0.93, and this is lambda power 3 and this is new eigenvector x power 3. Again, next third iteration, A into x power 3, this is the eigenvector, given matrix, and this one is the new eigenvector, normal cross multiplication, we get this matrix, and here 2.93 taking outside, we get 1 0 0.93. So here 2.93, here 2.8, it's not equal, so I continue the next process. Again, we'll get the same working procedure. So now I compare this to it, again it's not equal, so I will move the next iteration. I will get 2.99 and the previous one is 2.98, it's not equal. Again I continue the next iteration, I will get 2.99, here also 2.99. Okay, so I'll stop the process. If you have to find the next iteration, A into x power 7, definitely you will get 2.99, and A x power 8, definitely you have get 2.9977 like this. Okay, so hereafter the eigenvalues are same. So I stop the process when if the eigenvalues are equal. Okay. So thus the largest value is approximate p, and the corresponding eigenvector 1 0 0.999, it's approximately 101. So this is the highest largest eigenvalue of the given matrix. Okay. So similarly, this problem, but here the given initial condition is directly. So we have to choose this one. If you're not given, we have to choose the other four initial vector. Okay. So the process is same. Here we get 6, here we get 7.3, it's not equal. So that's why I move next one. So 7.82, 7.94, not equal, and 7.98, here 8. So hereafter a x power 6 and a x power 7, definitely you will get 8. So it equal. Okay, so we stop the process. So that's all. This is the eigenvalues and this is the eigenvector. Okay, so I hope you all understand the concept of how to find the eigenvalues and eigenvector. What's the procedure by using the Rayleigh's method? So in this case, we have to easily find the eigenvalues and eigenvector by the normal matrix multiplication. Okay, so if you have any doubt, can comment the channel, YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you to all.